In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can pick any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're finished, hit apply. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now you need to click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. If you wish to edit this theme, click on color palette again. Tap on your theme over here and use this pen. Now make any changes you want. And hit apply one more time. To delete any of those themes, go back to the same settings, click on the chosen one, and use bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!